Thank you, Rakesh.
Everyone able to see my screen, right? So if any issue, let me know. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome to Tableau demo session. This session is primarily focused on beginners and this is meant to give you a heads up on what is Tableau all about. My name is Rakesh and I have 10 plus years of experience in IT industry and majority of my work on doing data visualization in Tableau. I have executed empty number of projects on this space. That's in short about my profile. So in today's demo session, I'm planning to cover the below topics. I'll give you an introduction to Tableau, the importance of Gartner chart, why visualization is so important, why Tableau, and Tableau product architecture, and I'll explain you the Tableau tool, the Tableau Workspace, and quickly we can create one or two dashboards so that you can get a sense about how quickly we can create dashboards in Tableau. So even before we start, what is this Tableau all about? Most of you all aware that this is a data visualization tool. However, why should we learn Tableau? Why not any other tool? There are so many tools available in the market, but why we need to learn Tableau only? So in order to answer this question, we need to look into one key thing from a key resource organization, right? This organization does a lot of research, collecting a lot of resource. Let me show you that. This is called a Gartner Magic Quadrant. I think you might be heard of this because this is a third-party survey team. They do the research on all the tools available in the market. If you see Gartner Magic Quadrant 2016, Tableau holds a leader position. And Tableau holds this leader position from last 4 years consecutively. And in order to ability to execute and completeness of vision, Tableau holds a leader position. And also it beats ClickView and Microsoft in the ability to execute. So that's the reason the entire market is going towards Tableau. And having a leader quadrant means which is very well respected across the globe. So that's why Tableau is very important and so everyone going towards Tableau. And we'll keep this session interactive. If any questions you have, do let me know. You can punch in the question window. Okay, what is Tableau? In simple, Tableau enables people to quickly see and understand the data by automatically turning data into pictures. What Tableau do is, it will quickly turns data into visual format or visual graphs. If you see below, there are some of the dashboards which are created using Tableau. And if you see, it is very sophisticated dashboards, very clear to understand, and interactive dashboards using different type of charts like graph charts, map, line, and so many things. I'll take you one by one, maybe in the later. So these kinds of dashboards we can create using Tableau. And one more thing, guys, data visualization is not about generating a fancy charts. Our objective is to tell a story using a data visualization to our various stakeholders, right? If client give us a product, client may be having some questions. So our objective is to solve business problems, not to create a fancy charts. That is where Tableau helps us. So to understand why data visualization is so important, how Tableau helps us. So let's take a simple example. If you see, I have given sum of profit broken down by order date year versus order date month. And if you can find 3 lowest and 3 highest profit month of the year, can you please find 3 lowest and 3 highest profit of the month of the year? So you have to scan each column and row to find the highest and the lowest. It's a bit difficult, right? Means you need to scan each column, each row to see which is the highest profit month of the year. And again, you are not sure because you may be wrong. So what we can do is we can highlight this table using color, then it will be very easy. So we'll do that in interest of time. See, what I have done is I have using highlight table, I have color coded. The dark green is the highest profit and the dark red is the lowest profit. So now without even scanning, within a fraction of a second, now you can tell that December 2013 is the highest profit and January 2012 is the lowest profit. And you can also tell that the second highest profit is October 2013 and then March 2014 is third. So and so. So it's very easy, right? You don't need to scan it. So your eye is so intelligent that it will read the visualization very easily. So that's where Tableau helps us. So what I'm thinking is, you have seen this highlight table. What I'm going to do is I'll quickly create this highlight table in Tableau so that you will understand how quickly we can create a highlight table in Tableau. So I have installed Tableau 9.3 in my system. Yeah, this is the home screen. So what I'll do is go to data. So what I'm doing is I'm connecting to a source called sample superstore. That's given by Tableau. So these are the sheets available in that superstore table. What I'm doing is I'm dragging drop orders. What I have done is order date. So I'll not explain what I'm doing here, but just try to understand how quickly we can create those highlight table in Tableau. So you have, in the first screen, you have seen this table, right? And just by seeing this, maybe you will get a requirement that they need in a cross-tab format. They maybe need a data in a cross-tab format. But if you give this data in this format, it is very difficult to understand where my profit is, in which month I'm getting more profit or which month we are doing bad. It's very difficult. So what you can do is just go to show me and click on the highlight table. If you see below, there is a for highlight table one or more dimensions. So we have one or more dimensions available. So just click on that. Done. So very easy, right? Within few clicks, you have connected to your data source, you have created a table, you have even created a visualization so that you can easily understand in which month of the year you have a more profit and which month of the year you have a lowest profit. So now we'll do some more extra thing here. So what we will do is, so you know that December 2013 is the highest profit and October 2013 is the second highest profit, but you are not sure because you have not ranked. So what we'll do is we'll give a ranking to that. We'll create a calculated field. So what I'm doing is I'm creating a calculated field using a function rank. So now I have created. So what I'll do is I'll drag and drop rank to label. and I will take out the sum of profit. We'll do some formatting. Okay. Now you are seeing multiple ones and multiple twos. So that's because it is it's not computed using order date. Okay, here it goes. So now if you see December 2013, that is rank 1, then October 2013 it is rank 2, then you see rank 3, then rank 4, then rank 5, and also if you are coming by reverse order, then 48, that is the lowest profit, then 47. See, you can customize your dashboard as per your convenience. There is no roadblocks will come when you are designing your dashboard. You can design your dashboard however you want. That's the flexibility you will get it in Tableau. Make sense? Let me know if you have any questions or you want to do something else. See, at the same time you can also profit also you can put there. It's not like that you have to only put rank. So now rank as well as the profit, both details are available. Okay? Okay, we'll move on. So let's understand why Tableau, because we know that from Gartner chart, Tableau is in a leader position. To justify that, we'll see some of the features of Tableau. So we know that Tableau is a data visualization tool. Tableau is a groundbreaking data visualization tool. Tableau has its own data engine, so that's the key thing in Tableau. Tableau is an in-memory tool where it leverages the complete memory hierarchy from disk to L1. That means it is not restricted to use only RAM or maybe a remote location. No, it leverages complete memory from whatever is available in the system. Like it uses RAM, ROM, and even L1 cache, L2 cache. So all this memory Tableau uses. That's why it is so fast. And Tableau 9 that is released last year, the performance wise it is super. If you compare to 8.3 and 9, you will see the difference between what they have done to increase the performance. They have implemented parallel query and query fusion, so many things in Tableau 9 so that the performance is in an advanced level so that you will not see any performance issues. And Tableau software helps people to easily explore and understand data. It's not a complicated tool. I think you have already saw what I have done to create a highlight table. It is very easy and you can easily understand the data. It is very user friendly. And Tableau helps anyone quickly analyze, visualize, and share information very quickly. See, I have created a highlight table and quickly I can publish it to Tableau server. And within a minute you can see from your end that fast it is. Maybe I can show you, maybe I'll publish 1 or 2 dashboard to Tableau public and I will share the link to you so that you can analyze from your side. So then you will get a sense of how quickly we can share the information. And Tableau software, so we'll go to some of the Tableau products like Tableau Desktop, Tableau Server, Tableau Reader, Tableau Online, and Tableau Public. So these are the products available from Tableau to support the Tableau Desktop basically. So Tableau Desktop is a main battleground where we will develop our visualization, we'll create our reports and all. That's the developer platform. In Tableau Desktop, there are 2 more things will come, that is Tableau Desktop Personal and Tableau Desktop Professional. Tableau Desktop Personal priced $999 and Tableau Desktop Professional priced $1,999, I think. And Tableau Desktop Personal can connect to, I think, six data sources, different type of data sources. And Tableau Desktop Professional can connect to any data source, you name it, and Tableau will allow us to connect to the data source. I think around 40 to 50 data sources Tableau professional can connect. Tableau server is an online solution for sharing, collaborating, and distribution. That means whatever you design in using Tableau desktop, so that you can share using Tableau server. It's something like an administration tool. It's a server based where once you develop, you need to host your dashboard, right? So for that reason, Tableau server is required. It's an online solution. Tableau Reader is a license-free version. It is again, it's like a PDF reader. So once you get a PDF file, to open that PDF file, you need a PDF reader, right? So same like once you get a Tableau packaged file, you need a Tableau Reader. Tableau Reader will come into picture only when you don't have a Tableau server. So assume that you don't have a Tableau server and your company cannot afford Tableau server. Then what you can do is you can go for a Tableau Reader. But Tableau Reader have its own limitations, but still it serves your purpose. Then comes Tableau Online. Tableau Online is again a cloud-based Tableau server. That means Tableau server will not be installed in your premises. Tableau software will take care of everything. They will install Tableau server in their premises, and you will be having a subscription kind of fees. So you can subscribe. The next comes is a Tableau Public. It's mainly used by the bloggers and mainly for publishing some of the general data. It's not used by any company or enterprise level. So I think you got a sense of the different type of products available. So for our thing, Tableau Desktop is a main tool where we will be designing and creating visualization. And currently Tableau 9.3 is available in the market, and Tableau 10 is coming by year end. And Tableau 9 is a breakthrough in their release, because Tableau 9 is having the most important features, like the one is a performance, and second is the level of details, LOD calculations. So there are many features. Maybe data interpretation, I'll show you what is that, and pure table. So these are the features of Tableau 9, and Tableau 10 also they have released some of the features, but I have not gone through some of, like maybe a unions is the new feature. They're still gathering all those things. And Tableau 9.3 you can download for 15 days trial. So after 15 days you'll be able to use. So what you can do is, maybe if you have a student ID, then maybe you can download it for 1 year, I think. So that thing is available from Tableau, but only a 15 days trial Tableau is giving for Tableau Desktop Professional. You can try that, but don't download it. So maybe if we are starting a class and all, then it will be very helpful. So we'll see a brief about Tableau Architecture. Tableau Architecture is enterprise ready, and it is a highly scalable and entire client server architecture, because we have Tableau Desktop as a client and then Tableau server, and it also serves mobile clients, web clients, and desktop installed softwares. As I said, Tableau Desktop is an authoring and a publishing tool that is used to create shared views on Tableau server. So we'll be designing reports and dashboards in Tableau Desktop and publishing to Tableau server. Tableau server is an enterprise class business analytics platform that can scale up to hundreds of thousands of users. It is not restricted by users, so you can scale up to hundreds of thousands of users. And also it offers the mobile and browser-based analytics. And also the security-wise, it is very good. Even it supports the car pros. From 8.3, Tableau supports car pros. So we'll see Tableau product. This is a Tableau product architecture. If you see, so Tableau Desktop comes here, and the left side you are seeing the different type of data it can connect. It can connect to SAP, it can connect to Hadoop, it can connect to Netezza, Oracle, Excel, Access, anything. You call the name and Tableau will be able to connect that. If it is still not available, then you can go for a ODBC connection. And Tableau can connect any data source using two ways. One is a live connection and another is an extract. I'll let you know what is the difference between extract and live. So once you connect the data, a query will be fired, something like select star from employee, then a result will come back to Tableau desktop and you will create a visual chart on top of that. So this is a chart you have created. Once you have created, what you can do is you can share your dashboard to, you can publish or you can share using PDF, you can share using Excel, even you can share to PPT, that is for static readers, and also you can package your workbook and you can share it to Tableau readers. That is, if you don't have a Tableau server, then what you can do is you can share to, you can package and you can share so that Tableau readers can read that. It has its own limitations, but it will serve the purpose. So then what you can do is you can publish to Tableau server also. So this is a Tableau server architecture. Once you publish to a Tableau server, then Tableau server will take the rest of the things. So then Tableau server will send the query and it will fetch the, it will get the result, or even it can extract the data. You can schedule the extract. Then the online users, they can view that dashboard using IE browser or maybe my mobile. So that's how the Tableau. This is how the Tableau product architecture works. So you have seen Tableau desktop where it comes, the use and Tableau server, the Tableau reader, and the different type of sources. Let me know if any questions. Okay. So I told you that Tableau desktop can connect to any data source either by live connection or maybe an extract. So there is a data engine that is in memory is available in Tableau. So when you need to go to in-memory and when you need to go to direct connection, that's simple, I have explained here. So when you have extracted your data, that means what Tableau do is, from physical memory, Tableau completely extract your data to local system. That is a Tableau where Tableau is installed. That is, so here you are extracting all your data to the local system. So then Tableau will interact to that local databases. That way, your performance will be increased by almost 10 to 100 times. So that's the difference between a live connection and in-memory. So you can go offline and then do your analysis. That's why most of the people are going for extract. If your database is too slow for interactive, too slow, then you can go for an in-memory. Then if you want to take load off from that transactional database, then you can go for an extract. And also, if you want to do an offline analysis, then you can go for an extract. Then when you need to go for a live connection, if you have a very fast database like Vertica, Giza, or any other fast database, then you can go for a live connection. And also, if you need a minute-to-minute update, then you need to go for a live connection. Even in extract, you can schedule your refresh for every 15 minutes. Means you will be just lagging by 15 minutes. So that thing is available. So let's understand Tableau Desktop in detail. So Tableau Desktop, it is a 10 to 100x faster, works with hundreds of millions of rows of data and get the answers in a second. And Tableau Desktop is an drag and drop tool. You have seen how quickly we can create a visualization just by drag and drop. We are not writing a single code to create any visualization. If we need to do some advanced customization, then we need to write calculated fields. But otherwise, you will not be writing any coding. It is so simple. It is a drag and drop tool. It is smart, and we can create a beautiful dashboards combining different type of charts.
One second, guys. He's connecting again, guys. Okay, just 1 minute. Rakesh, please unmute yourself. We are not able to hear you. Yeah, thank you.
Able to see my screen, right? Okay. Sorry, I was disconnected. I think I have covered this. If not, let me know. So this is these are the features about Tableau. And here we comes about a Tableau workspace. This is a tool front view. So when you open Tableau desktop, then you will see this space, and here is a Tableau workbook name, and second, this is a Tableau toolbar. This is a toolbar. You can sort, you can
Rakesh, your voice has gone again. Can you hear me, Rakesh? Hello? Hello? Rakesh? Hello, Rakesh? Rakesh, your voice has gone again. We are not able to hear you. No, you have to connect through computer audio only. Can you do one thing? Just switch to the desktop version. One second. Let me uh, just connect to the computer audio. Yeah. No, your audio is not connected still. Wait. No, no. See, it's still audio is not getting connected. Do one thing, na Rakesh. Just switch to the desktop version. It will be easy. Just click this down or two buttons. Yeah. 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 Installing. Just select the computer audio. Yeah. Can you click on computer audio on audio? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Can you talk now? Yeah, Rakesh. Can you hear?
yes, sorry guys, how about now?
Now it's very clear.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you. Sorry about that. So
No
I was
problem.
not installed the desktop version.
Thank you.
Okay. So I was explaining about the Tableau Workspace. So these are the different type of options available in Tableau Workspace. We have seen workbook, toolbar, cards, and this is a visualization. This is show me, sheet tabs, and then status bar, sidebar, and then the start button. So when you click on this, it will take you to the start button. So here, this is a very important thing. So when you connect it to any data source, Tableau will automatically differentiate dimension and measures. And also, this is the first one comes as a source name. So whatever name you have given, that comes here. And the second is a dimension. Third is a measures. Fourth one is a sets. So sets and parameters will be creating. Tableau will not, it will not come automatically. So for sets and parameters will be creating once after connecting to any data source. And dimension is a qualitative data that is like your customer name, segments, date, geographic details. So all this comes under dimension pane. So anything like a quantitative fields, that is what you can aggregate the data, the numerical data, that comes under measure pane. You got it? So that's the difference between dimension and measures. Whatever you can aggregate, that comes in measures, and whatever is a qualitative data, that comes under dimension. And anytime you can convert to dimension to measure and measure to dimension. That thing is available. You can do that anytime. Okay, that's all I want to cover in theoretical part. So what we'll do is we'll quickly go to Tableau and create dashboards quickly, so that you will get an understanding how dashboards will be created in Tableau and how quickly. So let's do that. So once you have connected to data source, so this is a toolbar, and this is a show me bar, and this is a status bar, and these are the worksheets. So if you click on here, a new worksheet will be open. If you click on this square box, then you will open a new dashboard, and this is a story. And left side, you will see dimension measures automatically divided. So at any time, just right click, and then you can convert to dimension. You can do that anytime. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll create some quick worksheets so that I can collage later for a dashboard. We'll do one thing. We'll take a subcategory, or maybe we'll take profit and then sales. So I just double clicked on profit and sales. So then you will see this intersection. So I'll tell you what I'm going to create. I'm trying to create same like what you have seen Gartner Magic Quadrant. Same like that. I'm creating a quadrant so that you can understand how my category is doing when when we invest more, when there is a more sales, whether I'm getting profit or not. I'm understand to get a sense of whether my category is doing good or bad. So you will understand when I've created, when I've completed. So let's do that. Sales, size, then profit, color. So what I'm doing is I have dragged and dropped sales onto size, and what I'm doing is profit onto color. I'll increase a little bit of the size. Transparency a little bit reduce, if any overlap, so that you can understand better. And then In analytical pane, I'll take the average line. Okay. So now you will understand a little bit better. If you see, even though you have sales of 206,000, but still your profit is very less because it is less than the average. So your good quadrant is this one, because your sales is above average and your profit also should be above average, right? So your copiers, accessories, binders and storage, they are doing good, but tables and machines, they are doing really bad, because even though their sales is good, but you are not getting any profit. So that's your pain area, that's your focus area. So you have to focus this. And in this quadrant, even your sales is below average and even your profit is also below average. Here you need to do both the things. You need to increase sales as well as the profit. This is even better, because with less profit, with the below average sales, your profit is above average. So that's about paper. And these are the things, these are doing good. This should be your main area. This you want to see all your categories in this quadrant. So understood? Let me know if any questions, or how I have done anything. Just let me know. So here, so the thing you need to understand, the size of the bubble is the sales. If you see large bubble means your sales is more. If you see the paper sales is 78,000 and accessories is 167,000. The color indicates the profit. If it is red, see here the legend. If it is darker green, that means a positive profit. If it is in red, that means a negative profit. So let's create one more sheet, and we'll do a geo. We'll create a geo map, so that for analysis purpose it will be good. So let's double click on states. So I'm just clicking on state. See, immediately a map has come here. I was expecting a US map. Let's see. Maybe this data is having something else. Okay, let's see. Not to worry. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm clicking on sales. Okay, that's coming. Sorry. Maybe there is an issue with the data, I think. So I'll quickly connect to another database, that is sample superstore provided by Tableau. Okay, here you go. I'll click on state. So what I have done is I have switched to data source. If you see at the left side, there are two different data sources. One is orders, that is sample superstore, and another one is a sample superstore. So what I have connected live here. I have not connected. I have not extracted any data. I have directly connected to data sources. Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll click on sales. So when I clicked on sales, Tableau automatically created a bubble chart on each of the state. So on top of the map, you will see what is the sales by in the circle. So the larger the circle is more the sales. So what we'll do is instead of circle, instead of sales, what I'll do is I'll put profit so that it will be very easy. Then field map. Then what I'm doing is profit on color. So what I have done is, you're seeing a field map, and then the color indicates whether your particular state is doing good or bad. That means the state Texas is, the profit is very less. That's the reason it is color coded red. And California, it's color coded dark green because it is doing very good, because the profit is 76,000. It is not, it is in a positive note. But assume that by seeing the color, you know whether it is doing good or bad. But again, seeing the profit on top of that state may not make sense, or make sense for something. But here, what I do is I take out the sum of profit, and then sales I put here. Okay. So now what you are seeing is, the color code indicates whether your profit is on positive or negative, and you are seeing the label as sales. So you're seeing three information. One, the state name, then the profit, then the sales. Three information in a single chart. So that's the beauty of Tableau. Then what we'll do is okay. That looks good. So we have create. Okay, I'll quickly create ordered sales, the quadrant chart, because we have created a quadrant chart in the previous source. So not in this. What I'll do is sales on size, then profit on colors. Then I'll take subcategory. Yeah, it's done. Then I'll go to average line so that I can create a quadrants. Yeah, done. I will increase the size. See how quickly we can create this. Yeah, that's done. Maybe we can pull. We'll put region. So what I'm doing is drag and drop region, and then I'm double clicking on sales. I'm going to show me and selecting bar chart. To sort, just go here and click on the sort button. It will automatically sort. Assume that you want to interchange the region and sales. Just quickly come here and do the swap. See how easy it is? You can quickly swap. And then you can also you can add one more thing here. See, anyhow, blue color, this doesn't make any sense. What you can do is you can add your profit to color. That means you can also understand the three things. One, you are understanding which region, then what is the sales of that region, and you can also understand whether your region is doing good or bad by profit wise. The two variables you will understand simultaneously. One is sales and one is profit. So what I'll do is this I'll rename sales by states. This is my quadrant chart. You can rename any name, you can give any name. This is my by region. What we'll do is we'll create one more chart. What we'll do is we'll get a trend. How's my sales trend? What I'm doing is I'm drag and drop order date. So once you drag and drop your date field, so how you, whether it is a date or a string or a geo details. So if you see the left side, If it is ABC, then it is a string. If it is a date symbol, then it is a date. If it is a map symbol, then it is a geo map, geo details. That's how it Tableau differentiate each and everything. If it is a hash, then it is a number. So just expand this so that you can drill down to month. So now I'm having year and month details. Then double click on sales. So Tableau automatically created a line chart. Maybe we'll go to area map. So this is my trend. This is my sales trend. I can also put my profit to color so that I can also get one more details. Okay. So rename sheet sales trend. Yes, I'm not explaining in detail how I'm doing. In our regular class, we can do that. So the intention here is to quickly create a dashboard. So that is what I'm trying to do. Okay, so if you see, you can see a thumbnail of each thing, so that you can see what you have created. So we'll drag and drop sales map. See, I have on dashboard. So once you click on dashboard, at the left side you will see whatever you have done till now. So I have created sheet 1, then sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4. Then I have renamed the sheet 5 to sales by state, then quadrant chart, then by region, then sales trend. So now, then let's drag and drop sales trend. Then what we'll do is we'll drag and drop quadrant chart, then maybe by region. We'll go to automatic mode. Then we'll fit to entire view. Same thing here. Yeah. So now we'll enable the title. Sales dashboard. Okay. So now, if you see, I have a sales by states. I have a sales trend, and I also have my subcategory quadrant chart, so that I can see whether it is above average of sales or above average of profit or not. Then I have region sales data, and also it is color coded by profit. So now assume that I want to see, I know that my Texas is not doing good, and when I click on Texas, I want to see what is happening, what is my sales trend, and how's my subcategories are doing for California. I know that because it is doing very bad. I want to know which of my subcategory is doing good and bad in that. So to enable that, so what we need to do is go to this arrow button and then click on user filters. You are not writing a single code till now, and you have created a dashboard till here, and you are not going to write any code because it is completely drag and drop. So now I am clicking on Texas, and my complete dashboard is filtered for Texas. And now if you see my quadrant chart, only phones is doing good, and apart from phones, if you see, most of the subcategories are doing very bad. If you see paper, even though your sales, sales is 6,000 and profit is only 2,000, and then binders is doing very bad, furnishing appliances. So like this way you can analyze. See, if you click on California, you will see some green bubbles because it is doing very good. You will see very less red lines, red bubbles, and you know your phones, your storage, so like this way you can analyze your data and get sense of your own data. You may not be knowing what happening inside each state, and within few clicks you will understand that what is doing good and what is doing bad and where you need to focus more. And also you can see the trend. Maybe on 2012 it was doing good, but later you will see flat, again it spike up, then doing bad. See your sales, it is again from last year. There is 1 month, that is December 2014, it was doing good. I think all the December year end it was doing good, but the rest of the months it is doing very bad. You will understand the patterns. Okay, now let's do analysis by subcategory. So use as a filter. So now I know that my paper or maybe my table is not doing good. So let's swap this. Yeah, now it looks good. Yeah. Now I know that my table is not doing good. So let's click on table. So now you know that table is not doing good in most of the states. Only in Washington it is doing good, and most of the rest of the states it is doing very bad. And here and there Virginia it is doing good, but it is doing very bad in Illinois and New York, and most important in East region. In West region it is doing okay, but in East region it is doing very bad. Maybe we need to concentrate on East region for the tables. So that's how your analysis should start, and you can create. See, this is one way of creating a dashboard. You can use different type of charts. See here at the left side and show me. You have a pie, you have a line, you have a tree maps, you have a bubble chart, you have a bullet, you have a box and whisker. So you can, as per your requirement, you can use different type of charts using show me. And see, now I'm using bar chart here. Just go and click on bubble chart. Within single click, it is changed. That's powerful is Tableau. So just go here and fit and enter view. Now see, within single click, you have changed your bar chart to bubble chart, and also from line chart to, maybe I can go for a line chart here. See, because I have two variables, I'm getting both profit and sales, right? I can go here and I can do a dual axis. Now see, within single click, now you are seeing both profit and sales, right? The blue is profit and orange is a sales. Yeah, right. Now, so we'll again enable by region, use as filter. Now I know that my south is not that great, so click on south, and then you know again tables and machines are not doing that great in south region, and also you can see your profit and sales trend. So this way you can create a dashboard, and maybe we can go quickly and publish this. Go to server. If you are publishing to your own server, then go and publish. If you don't have a Tableau server, go to save to public, Tableau public. I'll log in myself. You should have an account in Tableau public. Okay, I need to do an extract, because in Tableau public you have to extract your data, otherwise you will not be able to do. You will not be able to publish. But if you have your own Tableau server, then that issue will not come. What I'm doing is I'm extracting the data to Tableau's fast data engine. So if I do, then my performance will be very good. because Tableau is importing all the data to its own data engine. It is not connecting live to an Excel sheet, the physical database. So it is imported 9,907 rows. It will create its own extract database. Okay. I'll show you the difference between extract and live. So if you see live, you will see a single database. That means you have connected live. But if you see there are two databases with an arrow mark, so that means you have created an extract database. So that's how you can differentiate your live and extract sources. So let's go to dashboard 1. So now you will see some performance. So you will not understand because it's having hardly a 10,000 rows. But if you are connected to millions of rows, then you will understand the difference between connecting live and extract. If you still have millions of records, if you are connected extract, then you will see the same performance. But if you are connected live, then you will see some lagging. Save to public. Okay, so I need to remove that another data source because close. Okay, now I have only one, that is extracted database. Now go to server. Now it will not ask. Yeah. It is publishing to Tableau public. So now I have quickly created a dashboard, and meantime also I am publishing to online. So now I will give you that link as well so that you can also view from your side. Yes. Sorry, I am not able to hear you. Can you please punch in your question in question window? There is a lot of disturbance behind you. So let me share you the link. Give me a second. Okay, here you see I have published the sales dashboard to Tableau public, and you will do the same interactivity what I have done using Tableau desktop. So if you click on Texas, you will do the you can interact with this dashboard. So what I'll do is I'll quickly share this link.
Rakesh, there is a question from Pratyush in the chat window. How Tableau is different than Lumira?
Sorry, let me move. Sorry, I don't see that question. Yeah, come again.
How Tableau is different than Lumira?
Sorry, Pratyunj, I am not aware about Lumira because I have not worked. Maybe if you want, definitely I can work on that and I can get the details because I know about Tableau and I'll understand more about Lumira and I'll get back the difference. But if you see, let me open the BI tool Gartner chart, and I don't see Lumira is in Gartner Magic Quadrant. I see Tableau, ClickView I know, and we know about Alteryx and we know about Microsoft MicroStrategy, but Lumira is not surveyed by Gartner Magic Quadrant by Gartner, I think. If you go to this Gartner Magic Quadrant, maybe I'll quickly go in online. Gartner Magic Quadrant. Yeah. This Gartner has done survey for all the BI tools. I'm not sure about Lumira, but Tableau, all the BI tools, whatever available in the market, the Gartner do the survey. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah, this is the latest 2016 Gartner Magic Quadrant. If you see, I see Tableau, ClickView, and Cognos should be there. So I don't see Lumira. Sorry, Pratyunj. Yeah, but I can maybe I can take a look and maybe I can come back to you more about the difference between Lumira and Tableau. Yeah, guys, please go to this link. I have pasted in chat window. Please go and try to access that link and do some interactivity using just try to click on how you want to analyze that data. Same like what I have done right now. Just click on any of the subcategory or maybe click on the sales. Then you will understand the interactivity and the look and feel of Tableau Public. Okay, guys, do you have any questions? That is what I have planned in the demo session. If we start the regular class, then maybe I can go in detail about each and everything. Let me know if you have any questions or if you are looking for any more information in this demo session.
Ranjit, do you have any queries?
I'm good, Sana. Thank you.
Okay, and what about Pratyush?
No question.
Okay, so you guys got the course content what Rakesh is going to cover, right?
This is the course content I'm planned. Maybe I can.
Yeah, once if you can give an overview, that would be great, Rakesh.
Yeah, yeah. This is a classroom, but for online training, definitely I can alter. So this is what I'm planning to cover in my training. So first I'll be giving an introduction, so each and everything. I'll be going through Tableau products and I'll be explaining the Tableau architecture. And then we'll start by seeing the show me bar and Tableau desktop, the different type of connections, and the Tableau workspace, the difference between dimension and measures and discrete and continuous, the difference between continuous and discrete, and then I can take a tour of shelves and how we can create a basic views. And there are different type of sharing your workbooks and also saving the difference between package workbook and a normal workbook, TDE, TDWX. So all those things will be covered in getting started. Then we'll move on to connecting to different data sources using custom SQL, using live connection and then extract, and also data blending, joining to multiple tables, and joining doing data blending as well, and then publishing and reusing data connections. And we also see Tableau metadata, like how we can do our own, how we can manage the data in Tableau itself, multiple data connections at the same time. So if you go through this is what I have planned, and also we'll go each and one by one different type of charts available, like scatter plot, pie chart, donut chart, bar chart, line chart, and also formatting things. So a lot of things I have covered here, and definitely I can include, if you are specifically interested, you want me to cover, I can include that also in this plan. And also we'll see advanced filtering like context filters, and then we'll see sets. We'll go in detail about calculated fields. I have shown you one calculated field in the demo session, that is how you can rank your sum of profit. Same way we'll see all the functions available in Tableau. Then we'll go to parameters, how we can replace the constant values passing the parameter value. Then we'll see table calculation. Table calculation is very important in Tableau. Then we'll see dashboard and stories. We'll see, you have seen some of the actions in the current dashboard what I have designed. So we'll see how we can do the customization of that dashboard interactivity, how we will create a story. Then finally it comes about sharing your workbook. So how you will publish to server, how you can share your package workbook so that a Tableau reader can see that package workbook, exporting your work as a PDF or a Excel or an image, and then how you will embed your workbook in your blogs and all. Then we'll specifically see what are the new features available in Tableau 9. We'll go in detail about LOD expressions, and we also go through some of the best practices, how you can improve your performance, and what are the best practices to follow when you are creating a dashboard, and what are the different type of data preparations. See, I have not shown in this class. I was planned actually, but because of the time constraint, I have not shown. But we can show the data preparations, and also we'll see the performance recording and different type of performance optimization techniques. And I have not included about server part. Maybe we can cover a little bit about server, how the licensing works, how you will give access to users, and while publishing the servers, how you will the difference about projects, groups, sites. So we'll look into that as well. Any question?
Thank you, Rakesh. Thank you so much. So let's close the demo here, and I'll talk to both of them and get back to you with the schedule.
Sure.
Thank
you, Sanam. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah, Ranjit and Pratyush, so you don't have any queries, right?
Yes, awesome.
Okay. Thank you then. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, have a good day.
Bye.
Yeah.